party. That was retarded. That was so dumb. I don't even know where to explain it.
Why would you bring it in?
Wow. Even it up, ref. Good job. There's 2 centers up. Goodness.
They scored the goal, we've gone flat.
Oh, baby! Yeah! Stop! Hammer time! Yeah, rub them out! How many cross checks does it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Pop? Go in! Yeah! Yeah, how you doing?
Shots on both of them, they had the two.
Yeah, they blocked a lot of shots.
Gold tonight, Keene Furniture donating $1,000 to the Ronald McDonald House in Tampa Bay. The season total now stands at $5,750.
Yeah, go wild!
Quality so good, it's guaranteed for life.
That's why you live here.
Here are tonight's 3 stars, presented by the Tampa Bay Times.
Yeah.
Because they don't give goalies #1 stars.
Tonight's number 3 star.
Ben
from
Bishop.
the Minnesota Wild.
Boo!
Tonight's number 2 star.
That's
with the
Stamkos.
game winner, number 9.
Bishop's #1. Bishop. Bishop! Bishop! Bishop!
Donates another $1,000 to Feeding America. Tampa Bay and its partners.
Jump, 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 jump.
Can't see you. Oh yeah. Jamming on the way home from the Lightning win. It feels pretty good. Listen to the Corolla bass. The Corolla's got the bass. So, every time I hear this song, it makes me want to watch Happy Gilmore. Am I alone there? I don't think I'm alone. I just hear it and I'm like, Happy Gilmore, kick his ass.
It reminds me of Lynch's Irish Pub in Jacksonville.
Jump, 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 jump.
You don't do that. Keep singing.
Whoa.
song will still be amazing. I don't know why. This song is just unbelievable. I could probably listen to this on repeat. It's a really good song.
Because it's Jimmy Eat World.
Yeah, they're a really good band. They're really, really good. I love Jimmy Eat World.
I know you're doing it. Not green.
Whoa, they gotta go first. I know this light very, very well. Who makes the best mix CDs in the world? It's me. Yes, it's me.
No, mine are pretty badass.
Nah, yeah, like 10 years ago.
Yes, when I was in high school, they were pretty badass.
Whatever.
Because that's when people stopped making mix CDs. Now they use their iPod.
Oh yeah, you can plug that in this old thing somewhere. Black
No
and white
carpet.
photo. Kevin by the sea. Do I know you? Yeah, get it, girl. Show 'em how pro do. Y to the T. Tell 'em, hold up. This song, we played this song actually when we met each other, so I mean it's got like a sort of like a connection, but it's still really catchy. And this rap song might not ever get old because of the punchline of the song, which you guys will probably just listen to it. Got that cheese like a jumbo cheeseburger, hey! Cause the party don't end, no. Might be 3, might be 4. If I can't drink, then I can't go. This song got everybody on the floor. T, T, Y to the T, 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 Y to the T, 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 Y to the T, 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 Y to the T. No, she want more. Spend it till it's gone. Don't know when I'm coming home. Pop X and drink Chris. My life is the shit, boy. Insane game and top of the line. We're taking you way back to 1999 or somewhere around that era. It was a long time ago. The old Wheezy. Oh, before he was Wheezy, he was Little Wayne. He wasn't Lil Wayne. He was Little Wayne.
He wasn't even that. This is like Shop Boys.
No, this is him
I sit up.
with Hot Boys.
That's what I'm saying.
But this is his song. DVT, Dreamcast. Dreamcast. Look out, boy. Got that Dreamcast. Okay, if you guys can name the movie scene that this movie's from, big brownie points. Hint. I have nothing to do with it, but hint, I'm walking out of a store. Big brownie points. Where's this from? Where's it from?
I don't know.
I'll tell you in tomorrow's vlog.
Oh.